In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, you're gonna know you can turn off sensitive content using your Twitter application. So, to turn off the sensitive content, you need to open up your Twitter in browser. So, I start with searching for Twitter in google.com. Then I tap on Twitter to get to mobile.twitter.com, and here you first have to go through login process, and then once you logged in your account, tap here on your account photo. There select settings and privacy. After that, select privacy and safety. There tap on content you see. Here make sure that display media that may contain sensitive content is enabled, like that, and then tap on search settings right here, and there you need to disable this option, hide sensitive content. That's it, save search settings updated, and now you can open up Twitter application and use Twitter as you normally do, because now sensitive content is off. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.